Action 7 Nintendo, grande! Console, 2 joystick, pistola zapper, 2 videogames e con 1000 lire in più un altro videogame per te, un valore di 80.000 lire! Action 7 Nintendo, grande! Corri, compralo!
Millions asked for it, and now Team Nick is bringing back 90s Nickelodeon. It's the 90s are all...
Sorry, Keenan. Can we check audio, please?
Hey, Keenan, just gotta check your mic here real quick. Dude, all that was the bomb. How many sketches were you in?
I don't know, like 100 or so.
And on Double Dare, was that one tiny human hamster wheel really a ton?
I don't know. I wasn't on Double Dare.
Quiet, please. Let's go again.
Quiet, please. Man, these fans are everywhere.
Oh, and Keenan, did Clarissa and Sam ever, you know...
The Nickies are all back. The late night block for grown-ups who grew up on 90s Nick premieres this July on Team Nick.
Scram, what? Oh, sorry, Scrappy.
No problem. My fault. Eustace.
Scrap. Oh, do you work here?
Scrappy! Yeah, for a while now. I've been busting my hump at this network for years. I mean, who do you think's been keeping the cartoon mystery fresh all this time? But do I get the same treatment as them? Not even close. Can I help you?
Oh, easy there, Scooby.
My name is Scrappy, and I've been here longer than all of you. Longer than you, and you.
Oh, Mama.
The problem as I see it is too many cartoons. They're the kings and queens of this network, and they know it. I put in the hours, the late nights. Where's my key to the castle?
You are here today, Scrappy?
You are a genius. How'd you figure that out?
Cartoon Network, the best place for cartoons.
Not for me. Not for me, man.
Oh, jij bent zeker Mario vergeten. Ik rijd iedereen van de weg. Maar niet mijn bananen.
Hey, dames gaan voor, Pummel.
Tja, de Super 4-spelerstand. Mario Kart 64. Exclusief. Voor Nintendo 64.
Playhouse Disney. It's time to guess who's coming up next. Look, here's a hint. Spot is one of his best friends. Do you know who it is?
It's all the humans on a round planet.
That's right. Up next is Roly Poly Oly here inside Playhouse Disney.
Hey, Dennis, is that the Baja Man?
That's right, Stanley.
I think it's time to check out the great big book of everything.
Very good, Stanley.
Whoa, that's one big shark.
It's a great white shark, Stanley. The most feared of all sharks.
Awesome.
That's it.
You said it.
Playhouse Disney, where learning is powered by imagination.
That's great. Weekdays, join the Little Mermaid, Ariel, and her friends for an under-the-sea party.
Just a little royal gratitude tennis.
And celebrate every discovery. Observatory. It's fun to see how under the sea, Ariel finds treasures for you and for me.
Oh, you're the life of the party.
Isn't it great? Every weekday morning at 6/5 Central inside Playhouse Disney. You're inside Playhouse Disney. At Playhouse Disney, let your imagination soar. Explore. Spin. Now give us a grin. Reach. And teach. Whoa.
Let's give it a go.
Soar, explore, spin, grin, reach, teach, grow, go. Soar, explore, and so much more. Every day with Playhouse Disney, where learning is powered by imagination.
PlayhouseDisney.com.
Now you and a grown-up can go online to PlayhouseDisney.com and discover an amazing new world just for kids like you. Play and learn right on your computer with all your favorite friends from inside Playhouse Disney. Like the Book of Boo. There's tons of stuff to explore.
Aboard a merriment.
Let's fly on the balloon with Boo. And play games with Rabbit. I want to tickle Tigger. And connect the dots with Tessie.
Yeah.
I like to read with Piglet.
I wonder what it says.
Let's dance to the music.
My goodness, there's so much to play and do. Let the games begin.
Games, activities, and music are all here waiting for you online. So don't wait another minute. Grab a grown-up and log on to PlayhouseDisney.com, where learning is powered by imagination. Out of the box every weekday morning inside Playhouse Disney, where learning is powered by imagination. Coming up next, visit your robot friends on Roly Poly Oly. And after, come play with Stanley and his animal friends. Learning is powered by imagination here inside Playhouse Disney.